So vitamin D, that is a vitamin that they say hard to find on a vegan diet. The sources that are listed will be fish and meat and liver, all these sources like eggs that they give you on the internet. But the truth is the cleanest and most abundant source would be the sunshine. So first and foremost is we need to expose as much skin to our source energy, vitamin D, as possible every day. Not in a long time, maybe just 20 minutes a day. I try to do at least 20 to 30 minutes every day, even when it's cloudy, of just exposing our skin. Another source is in mushrooms. So mushrooms, not all mushrooms, mushrooms grown in sunlight. And mushrooms like chanterelle and shiitake and oyster mushrooms, especially high in vitamin D. But make sure that they are not grown in UV lights. They're grown in real sunlight. Another amazing source is in fortified soy milk. So the same way that people get it or they think they're getting it from orange juice and milk, well, those are all fortified. So it's not naturally occurring. They are added in after, and we can find the exact same, if not more, in our organic soy milk. So that would be my top 3 vegan sources of vitamin D. And the great thing about these is they are not synthetic, so they're not going to be harming our organs going through. So really make sure that you're getting real sources, not just a synthetic one, and it's abundant. So enjoy all of these sources every day and get outside.